Hi, tell us about your store.
We do olive oil tasting, and we have paired it with wine in the evening, and we work it as a wine bar with cold platters, different cocktails as well, all different kinds of beverages. It's a product of our own hometown. We do our own packaging with olive oil.
Where's it packaged? Where?
Here in Nafplio but our trees are from Akladokabo.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
And the name of your store?
Aladokabo's Gold. Comes from
In Nafplio, and this is
Nafplio.
where you have to go to try this. And we're lucky enough to be here with Cooking with Greek people and
Thank you very
the
much.
store, and thank you.
So a short video from Nafplio, Mr. Tassos Malios and Bob. You want to say something?
I would like to thank this young man here for so many things. Look at all the things that he's sending me back to the United States with. All homemade, locally sourced products, made with this wonderful man's heart and love. And I'm so honored to be his friend.
So let's invite them to meet him and start cooking
Start
Greek recipes.
Yes, start coming to, but mostly you have to come to Nafplio and you have to visit his store. You have to meet him in person, and you have to buy these products because they're incredible products, and from an incredible man. And keep watching Cooking with Greek people because we're gonna do something with these products on Cooking with Greek people. Θα κάνουμε κάτι με αυτά.
Okay, ευχαριστώ πολύ. Thank you very much.
Ευχαριστώ και εγώ.
See you
Ναι.
next year or
Yes.
sooner.
Maybe sooner. Who knows?